the pressure who no book. If you don't have no education, people treat you like a book.
Now let's look at improper fraction. So improper fractions are fractions that are more than 1. So it's more than 1 whole. An improper fraction is a fraction that is more than 1 whole. So let's look at the picture of an improper fraction. Let's go back to the story of the cake. Now imagine now it is my birthday. So I'm expecting many more people to come over. So I've baked some cakes. I've baked more than 1 cake. I've baked some cakes. I've still cut up each cake. I've cut it up into 13 parts. So I've still cut up each cake into 13 parts, but I've baked more than 1 cake because I expect more people to be coming over. So what I've done, I've cut it up into 13 pieces, each cake into 13 pieces, but I've laid it down here so that I'm going to have a buffet so that people can take whatever cake they want. So here is a cake all cut up and laid out on the tray. Unfortunately, it rained a lot, and the amount of people I was expecting to come to my party did not turn up. So only a few people turn up. Some people took piece over, picked piece home for the family. Some people get an extra tray and carried some home for their family. So here we have those people took. Now I have all this cake left over. So I've called up my friend and I said to my friend, I have a lot of cake left over because not many people turn up because of the rain. She said to me, how much cake do you have left over? Now remember that each cake was cut up into 13 pieces. So 1 piece is what we call 1 out of 13. So let's see how many pieces I would have left over. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28. So I have 28 pieces left over. So 28 out of 13. Because 1 piece was called 1/13. So 28 13s I'm going to have left. So that is what I'm going to have left over. Now remember that 1 whole cake was 13 out of 13. So this is more than 13 out of 13. So here we have what is called an improper fraction. So here I'm going to have more than 1 cake left over because it's more than 13 out of 13. So I have 28 out of 13, meaning that 28 13s because each one of them was called 1/13. So this would be 1/13, another 1/13, another 1/13. So each piece is called 1/13. When I count that up, I have 28 13s. Now remember that 1 whole cake was 13 out of 13. This means the pieces that are there, I can get more than 1 cake. If I was going to put them back together, I would get more than 1 cake. So here what we all have is an improper fraction. And an improper fraction is a fraction in which the numerator, so the numerator is bigger than the denominator. So in an improper fraction, the numerator is bigger than the denominator. And the reason for that is because this is more than 1. So remember that an improper fraction is more than 1. So let's explain this again. Here we have a cake. 1 cake is cut up into 13 pieces. However, I'm having many people coming to my party. So what I've done, I've baked more than 1 cake. I still cut 1 cake into 13 pieces, but I've laid down the cakes that I've cut up. I've laid the pieces right there because it's going to be a buffet style and everybody's going to come and take the cake that they want. Unfortunately, many people, in this case, many people did not turn up to my party because of the weather. So when everybody left my party, I had 28 pieces left. I had 28 pieces left. Each piece was called 1/13 because one cake was cut up into 13 parts. So here I now have 28/13, meaning that the pieces that are there could make more than one cake. If I had put them together, it would make more than one cake. That is what we call an improper fraction. An improper fraction is a fraction that is greater than 1, that we can get more than 1 from. So that is what we call an improper fraction.
If you not have no education, people treat you like a book.